Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming compatibility and choosing wired versus wireless. Plug the OEM cable into the car USB or turn on the head unit's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then unlock your phone. Once done, accept pairing prompts on both devices and grant permissions for contacts, messages, and location so apps function. Make sure vehicle ignition is on and the infotainment is in pairing or smartphone mode. This gets you past initial roadblocks and into the connection sequence quickly. You now authorize and tailor the experience so it's safe and useful while driving. When the head unit shows Android Auto or Carplay, tap Allow and follow on-screen prompts to enable app access. Choose primary apps, maps, phone, music, and reorder or hide less essential ones. Make sure microphone and notification access are granted so voice control works, then test navigation, audio, and phone routing. If you customize now, you'll reduce distractions and get immediate hands-free control. You finish by validating real driving behavior and resolving common faults. On a short drive, use voice commands, start navigation, and place a call to confirm audio and mic performance. Observe screen responsiveness. If things fail, reboot your phone and infotainment, update the OS and Android Auto or CarPlay app, and swap the cable or toggle wireless. If problems persist, clear app cache or perform a factory reset on the head unit as a last resort. This usually fixes stuff.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.